Dear learners, welcome to massive open online course on Applied Entomology. The course encompasses the study of both beneficial and harmful insects, including details of social insects which are of significance to mankind. This course provides detailed information on economically important insect orders, including their characteristic features. Further, in this course, you can study beneficial insects like silkworm, honeybees and lac insects. In addition, the course focuses on the exploitation of predators and parasitoids for the management of harmful insects and pollinators for the improvement of crop yields. This course also includes the study of collection of insects, adopting different methods, preservation and labeling of insects. Applied entomology also includes the techniques and methods that are useful for the management of harmful insects that cause significant damage or loss to us by attacking the agricultural and horticultural crops we cultivate and veterinary animals we raise. This course also throws light on eco-friendly method of management of insect pests. Thank you. Happy learning.